C14 is 34 and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Green day on Monday for Occlusion Inc. Updated on December 21, 2020. Sell candidate since the 18th of December 2020 gained 0.17%. The Occlusion Inc. stock price gained 0.17% on the last trading day, Monday, 21st of December 2020, rising from 29 cents to 29 cents. During the day the stock fluctuated 3.71% from a day low at 29 cents to a day high of 30 cents. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -3.54% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 7 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.20 million. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -7.31% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 24 cents and 29 cents at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Occlusion Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at 30 cents and 30 cents. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 01th 2020, and so far it has fallen -7.92%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Support, risk and stop loss. Occlusion Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 29 cents, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. 29 cents, 29 cents, 31 cents. This stock has average movements during a day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 1 cent between high and low, or 3.71%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.61%. Our recommended stop loss: we hold a negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Occlusion Inc. stock a buy? Occlusion Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Current score, -3.032. Predicted opening price for Occlusion Inc. of Tuesday, December 22, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 22, 2020. Current price $0.29.